Up again, I'm waking from it in the night. Clench my hands till my knuckles are